From our beginning in 1884 as the inventor of glass-lined steel technology, Pfaudler has become the world's leading technologies, solutions, and services provider to the chemicals industry. Pfaudler is behind many of our everyday life products, such as pharmaceuticals, nutraceuticals, plastics and polymers, water treatment chemicals, and even high-tech electronics. Around the world, Pfaudler's technologies are at the heart of production of the specialty chemicals that are the building blocks of these everyday life products. Before chemical production begins, or construction starts, and before engineers design the facility, an optimal chemical process must be developed and proven. At Pfaudler's world-class process test facility, our experienced engineers develop and optimize your process and collect the data required to design your commercial-scale facility. Pfaudler's Engineered Solutions Group is comprised of experienced engineers representing all disciplines of turnkey plant design. At the heart of this group are chemical engineers with vast experience and expertise in all chemical operations including evaporation, distillation, mass transfer, reaction, mixing, heat transfer, filtration, fluid flow, drying, and more. Our process engineering services cover all stages of process design, including evaluation, pilot testing, troubleshooting, simulation, optimization, and plant design. Our turnkey engineering services include plant design, project engineering, project management, and commissioning. Pfaudler's process test facility is ideally equipped to test and perfect your process, utilizing wiped film evaporators, flash evaporators, distillation columns, reactors, and dryers in stainless steel and glass-lined steel materials of construction. Multiple utility systems provide a wide range of operating conditions, including a high-capacity multi-stage vacuum system for vacuum down to less than 0.01 millibar, hot thermal oil up to 345 degrees C, steam to 180 degrees C, and water systems from 140 down to -12 degrees C. Our process test facility is designed to process flammable and corrosive chemicals in volumes ranging from lab samples to tote quantities. With Pfaudler's process test facility, in-process sample analysis is possible. The analytical capabilities of our laboratory allow for in-process adjustment to optimize operating conditions for ideal results. In the early 1950s, Pfaudler purchased innovator Arthur Smith's wiped film evaporator technology rights and since has become the industry leader for short-path thin film evaporators as well as complete evaporation systems. Wiped film evaporators, or WIFIs, are used for the most difficult separations involving high viscosity, heat-sensitive, high boiling, and fouling applications. Our process test facility is configurable for a wide variety of evaporation operations, including a stainless steel circulated flash evaporation system for simple separations, a WIFI with internal condenser for true short path separation, 2 to 3 WIFIs in series for multiple component removal, improved separations, or deep vacuum operation, a WIFI with external condenser to allow for evaporative drying applications with dry residue, a distillation column with a WIFI as a reboiler for finer separation. Pfaudler has designed glass steel and fluoropolymer corrosion-resistant column systems for over 60 years. Our Monts division has designed and manufactured a wide range of patented alloy distillation column internals, as well as complete alloy distillation process systems, also for over 60 years. Pfaudler has extensive experience with hundreds of different distillation and evaporation processes. We leverage this experience and our expertise to optimize processes in our test facility and apply this knowledge to commercial-scale system designs. Pfaudler's process test facility can be configured for a variety of distillation operations in either batch or continuous mode, including a stainless steel column with wiped film evaporator reboiler for high vacuum distillation to 1 millibar and temperatures up to 345 degrees C. Or, for corrosive applications, a glass-lined steel column for batch distillation with a glass-lined steel reactor, or for center feed continuous operation with a tantalum reboiler. Pfaudler's reaction technology is trusted by over 90% of the world's top chemical companies. Our process test facility includes a 30-gallon glass-lined steel reactor with column, condenser, and receiver for corrosive processes. Our 100-gallon stainless steel reactor is utilized when acidic and/or corrosive materials are not involved. Pfaudler's drying technology provides safe, reliable results. Our process test facility utilizes a glass-lined steel conical dryer blender for fine chemicals. It provides gentle, non-stick vacuum drying for corrosive materials. Our process test facility also includes a stainless steel Nooch filter dryer for safe, contained filtration and washing and drying of pharmaceutical compounds. Pfaudler's experience is extensive, with hundreds of various applications piloted. Examples include biodiesel distillation for reduced cold soak times and color with increased methyl ester concentrations, PT-mag distillation for up to 50% reduction in impurities, sterols distillation for increased purity prior to crystallization, vitamin E tocopherol distillation for increased purity, purification of polyols in novel, bio-based green processes, and omega-3 distillation for increased purity at high yields. Typical purposes for pilot testing at Pfaudler's process test facility include new process development for traditional organic or inorganic chemistries or new green technologies, yield and purity improvement for existing processes, solvent, product, or reactant recovery for cost reduction with existing processes, process optimization for cost reduction and increased profit, volatile organic compounds reduction to meet environmental regulations. Pilot testing concludes with a comprehensive report that includes the scope, objectives, and sample analytical results, accompanied by conclusions and recommendations. The goal of pilot testing is an optimized process and data for design of a commercial facility. Using this data, Pfaudler's engineering team will design and build an efficient, safe, and economical commercial production facility. Our project managers ensure budget and schedule are met, while our process engineers work with your team for commissioning and to train the plant operators. Pfaudler, your turnkey process solutions design expert. From pilot testing and process optimization through commercial facility design and construction to commissioning and operator training. Pfaudler defines the standard for process design.